There are many products available to choose the best reflow oven, each with different characteristics. I conducted in-depth research, read a ton of reviews, and prepared a list of the best reflow oven from respected manufacturers to assist you in making an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. T962 Best Benchtop Reflow Oven. The T962 is low-cost reflow oven choice among hobbyists and small electronics manufacturers. I love its user-friendly interface that can handle PCBs up to 320mm by 360mm. I picked this reflow oven because it is a small engineering model prototype of electronics assembled at home. The reflow oven for soldering has advanced so much in recent years. The Happybuy Reflow Oven T962 Ultimate is a benchtop reflow oven good at everything. The temperature is a valid reason for adopting fast infrared radiation and circulation of the wind for excellent performance. The equipment features input keys and an LCD display for user interference and inputs. Number 2. Happybuy Reflow Oven T962A. It is coming up with another Happybuy T962 reflow oven with many advanced features. For high-end performance and seamless operations, it is featured 1500 watts heaters. This mini reflow oven allows working in a larger soldering area. The product comes up with a temperature range from 100°C to 350°C and the cycle time is 1 to 8 minutes. The infrared best reflow oven features an equipped exhaust fan to meet high-performance soldering requirements. That provides users with exceptional performance with advanced quality. It is a beautiful best benchtop reflow oven that helps improve your soldering capabilities cost-efficiently. It is compatible with solder double sideboard assembly. Number 3. AE5010 Desktop SMT Reflow Oven. If you are searching for a perfect prototype reflow oven that can ensure ideal temperature distribution, the AE5010 Precision Lead-Free Mini Reflow Oven is the best option. AE5010 is an attractive option you can trust to ensure perfect quality. It's nice to see how well the heat distribution works and how it has been designed so that the system automatically adjusts itself according to the needs of each room. The mini reflow oven is a lightweight standalone that makes it easier to access. Bodybuilding involves using heavy materials for its construction. The quality of this best reflow oven is reasonably ensured here. A lead-free desktop reflow oven is excellent for smaller scale prototypes and production units. Number 4. Mophorn Best Desktop Reflow Oven. Mophorn Reflow Oven is a professional oven designed for reflow soldering. The Mophorn Reflow Oven is a high-performance reflow oven designed for PCB assembly. Mophorn Best Benchtop Reflow Oven has 2 heating zones. One zone is for preheating, and the other is for actual soldering. It allows you to solder at higher temperatures without damaging the components. It is a reflow soldering machine for PCB manufacturing. It uses infrared heating technology to melt the solder on the surface of the circuit board. Its compact size and easy operation are perfect for home use. Number 5. X-Tronic's Hot Air Rework and Soldering Iron Station with Preheater. X-Tronic's All-in-One Hot Air Rework Soldering Iron Station with Preheater is one of my favorite reworking equipment. I like it because it is a complete multi-purpose tool for surface mount, SMD, DIY, and Arduino assembly. The 5040XR2 is a hot air rework station designed for use in conjunction with the 5040XR1 soldering iron. The 5040XR2 has been designed to provide maximum versatility in the field. It can be used as a benchtop unit or mounted on a wall. The unit has a fan, heater, thermostat, and timer. Thanks for watching.